Pada heboh pastinya mengenai kabar Ivan Gunawan akan mengambil lisensi Miss Universe Indonesia. Kabar tersebut pun heboh sampai ke Thailand, dan sampai ditanyakan langsung oleh media Thailand baru saja pada siang hari ini. Seperti ini.
Okay, for now, many people in Indonesia want me to be the director of Miss Universe Indonesia. But until today, I'm not interested with that because I want to focus with Miss Grand International. Yeah, because I want to work more hard for Miss Grand International, and then I want to get and bring back the crown of Miss Grand International to Indonesia. So it's a gossip, yeah. There's no gossip. I don't want to take Miss Universe Indonesia. It's all gossip. For me, Miss Grand International is the one and only.